Hey guys, welcome to TechBoard. This is 2 Minutes Tech, and if you have a camera that cannot shoot slow motion videos and you really want to know the easiest way to doing it, then I think this is the simple one. So here is this camera hack that you can do on your camera and get the good slow motion videos. First of all, you have to use the camera in manual mode, then go to the video settings and set the video recording at 1280 by 720 pixels at the rate of 60 frames per second. If you are shooting at 60 frames per second, just keep your shutter speed double of that or near to that. I mostly keep the shutter speed on 125. After that, coming on to the white balance, then I keep it on auto setting. Some suggest it to be 200 and some even more. For me, this auto ISO is good and works fine for me. At last, there is aperture, and at normal daylight I keep it on 5.0, and it really depends on the conditions of light. Now I have recorded some clips on 720 pixels at 60 fps. As you can see just now, they look simple and there is no slow motion added to them. What I do to make slow motion is that I just move these clips to the video editor on my computer, do some color grading and some editing, and just slow down the clips up to my requirement, and this is the result.